Hello everyone, this is Line and you're watching Learn with Line. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a layer mask in Adobe Photoshop. So in this image here I've drawn I don't know, I guess a superhero, and I have a mask that I created for him. And this is a drawn mask, we're going to get to the layer mask part in just a moment. But, let's say for example you're not sure if you want him to have like a gold mask or a red mask. So I have two layers and I have a red mask and a gold mask. And maybe you want to do like a combination of like a gold and a red mask. So the best way to do this, and first I'll just show you one thing that you could do is you can hit the eraser key, uh, eraser button on the toolbar, and you can erase it. But the only downside is that once you've erased something, now you can't bring it back, so you have to like undo, so by hitting Control Z or going to the menu and clicking undo. Um, so the best way to do this is with a layer mask, and the layer mask is really easy. All you have to do is go down to the bottom of your layers and choose the mask that you want to mask out, so this way it's non-destructive. That's when you're like non-deleting or making an edit to anything. So we're going to use this Add Layer Mask button, so I'm going to click it, and what happens is it gives you this little white box, and you have the ability to select the main actual pixels that you drew, and this box, which is your layer mask. And when you also should take note, look at the toolbar on the left side. You see how the foreground and the background colors are black and white, but when you click on the layer with the gold pixels on it, it has the gold and blue. Well, that's because the actual pixels that I drew are from the colors that I used, but the layer mask only uses two sets of colors, or just should say that it just uses black and white and the values in between black and white. So if you use black and you draw on this mask, it'll reveal anything that's underneath it on the layers below. So if you wanted to create like a pattern, like let's say you want to do like some uh, diagonal lines, you could do that. And then using, if we flip the foreground to the background, we can bring back the white and start drawing that. And I'm just going to quickly fill the layer with white. So there we go. And now if we go and we switch it around to black, I can do circles and make little polka dots. All right. Yeah. And if you fill the whole thing with black, I'm going to hit Alt backspace on my computer. You won't see the hotkey, but that's the hotkey for it. Boop. It turns the whole thing to red because the whole mask, as you see over here on the right, has been turned black. And if I were to hit fill it all with white, it'll come back to gold. All right. Well, that's how you do a layer mask. If you guys have any questions or comments, place them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. I appreciate your viewing, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right. You're watching Learn with Line, and this is Line. Talk to you later.